Okay, to install Jellyfin on Kubuntu 18.04, go to your terminal and type sudo apt install apt-transport-https. Okay, next, type in sudo add-apt-repository universe. Next, type wget -O repo.jellyfin.org/ubuntu/jellyfin_team.gpg.key space, the pipe symbol, sudo apt-key, a space, add, and then a dash. Next, type in echo, a quote, deb, then a bracket, arch equals, dollar symbol, a parenthesis, dpkg, double dash, print, dash, architecture, a parenthesis and a bracket. Then https://repo.jellyfin.org/ubuntu dollar symbol parenthesis lsb underscore release -c -s parenthesis main, a quote, and then the pipe symbol, sudo etsy/apt/sources.list.d/jellyfin.list, and then enter. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt install Jellyfin. Y for yes. Okay, we'll type sudo service jellyfin status. And we can see that the Jellyfin service is active and running for 25 seconds. So you can hit Control-C to get out of this. Okay, close your terminal, start a web browser, and we're going to go to http://127.0.0.1 /:8096, and our Jellyfin is up and running, and you can go through the configuration here. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.